Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Out of the garage comes the fire truck. Look at its ladder. It's all rusty. The truck needs to go to the repair shop. Can you see the repair shop sign? It's on the right. It's got a blue wrench on it. The fire engine is turning to the right. And here is the repair shop itself. The door is opening. In you go. The fire engine has come for an inspection. Let's check the wheels. They're turning side to side and round and round. And on the other side, also fine. The wheels are all in order. The flashing lights are blinking. The compartment door opens. The water cannon is in place. The mirror is dirty. Let's wash it. Oh no, the ladder isn't working. It's barely turning. And it won't extend. Car mechanic. We need to lubricate the ladder with machine oil. The mechanic's robot arm is taking the oil and lubricating the ladder. Let's check. A bit more. A bit more. And now it goes up and down. The ladder even extends. Thanks for your help. The fire truck has passed the inspection and can go off to work. Who needs help?
Urgent call. The fire truck is needed at the fun fair. A puppy has got stuck on the Ferris wheel.
The fire truck is coming as fast as it can. And here's the puppy. It can't get down. The Ferris wheel is broken. The fire truck is raising its ladder. Jump on, puppy. You're safe now. You can have another go when they've repaired the Ferris wheel. Out of the garage come the pickup and the crane. The pickup has a gear wheel in its container. The helper cars are going to repair the fun fair ride. You're in position. Crane, get out the new gear wheel. Attach it to the motor. The Ferris wheel is working again. Great work, helper cars.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
On the road are 3 little cars. They're getting ready for a race. Little red car, go back a bit. Excellent. Now all the little cars are lined up in a row. On your marks, get set, go! Look how fast they're going. The little red car is overtaking all the others and driving round the loop-the-loop. Oh no, there's a hole ahead. Be careful. The little car has flipped over. Are you hurt? No, that's good. And there's the hole in the road. That's no good at all. We need to think of something. Little cars, where are you going? Cement mixer, be careful. Don't fall in the hole. Look, the little cars have brought some bricks. They're trying to repair the road. More bricks. Let's try to drive over them. Not very convenient. The little green car is stuck. But what if we pour little balls into the hole? Let's try that. The road is more level now. Who's going to try driving across it? The little red car. No, we still can't drive down the road. The little cars are off to find help. Helper cars, who can help us repair the road? The road roller, dumper truck, and excavator are going to work. First, they need to take the bricks and balls out of the hole. The excavator is carefully putting them into a box. There are lots and lots of balls and bricks. What's the dumper truck doing? It's pouring asphalt mix into the hole. The asphalt needs to be pressed down and leveled out. The road roller will make easy work of that. The road roller has a heavy cylinder at the front, which it uses to press down asphalt and level off the road. Great work! The little cars are so pleased that it worked. Thank you, helper cars. Time to continue the race. The puppy is announcing the start. On your marks, get set, go! And the bigger vehicles are going back to their garage to have a bit of a nap. See you soon, helper cars.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Oh my! There's a storm and some very strong winds outside. The poor car transporter is going to have trouble driving in this weather. Ah, a tornado. Hold tight, little cars. Oh no! The storm is over, but all the cars are broken. One's lost a wheel, another lost his number. And the blue car's got a scratch. The red car is split in two. And the car transporter is overturned. We'll need lots of helper cars. Let's get different colored tow trucks to help. A color for each car. A red tow truck. A green tow truck. What color will these cars be? Blue, orange, and purple. The 5 tow trucks are ready to go and help. They're going to take the broken cars to the repair shop. The tow trucks are at the site of the accident. Look, the crane truck is already here. He's lifting the car transporter up. Now, let's put each car on the tow truck with the same color. The green car goes on the green tow truck. The red car goes on the red one. The blue car goes on the blue one. The purple car goes on the purple one. The orange car can get to the repair shop on the orange tow truck. They're almost there. Go on in. Let's start the repairs. What do we need? A new tire. There's one. The green car's number has come off. Where is it? There it is. The orange car is missing a wheel. Which one do we need, though? The right one. That's 3 cars fixed now. The car transporter has brought its platform down. Climb aboard! It's the red car's cabin. We need to put it in a chassis. All done. Haha, good as new. The blue car has got a scratch. Let's paint over it. We'll need some blue paint and a brush. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The scratch is gone. The cars are leaving the repair shop and getting back on the car transporter. It's taking them to the car show. And the helper cars are going back to their garage. There will probably be a new task tomorrow, so they'll need to get some good rest.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
There's a red van coming along the road. What's it carrying? The van has drawn up to a toy shop. The back doors are opening. And out of the shop comes a forklift. Time to unload the boxes. Box number 1. The forklift is taking it into the shop. And box number 2. Goodbye, van. Thank you. They need to put the toys in the window display. The balls go here. A toy mouse and a bulldozer. Everything's ready. Who's going to visit the shop first? It's the little racing cars. They're off to drive on the track. Look, what a huge pipe! Down the slope. And here is the toy shop. Cars, do you want to see the new toys? Oh dear, the little cars can't see what's in the shop window. What about now? That's not working. Forklift, lift the little car up, please. Oh, too heavy. We need the helper cars. Let's go and call them. The little cars are off to the garage. Helper cars, can you help us, please? There are so many of them. The crane. The dumper truck. the excavator, and the cement mixer. The cars can build a ramp next to the shop. The little cars can drive up it and look into the shop window. The crane is choosing blocks for the ramp. A triangular prism. That will fit. Put that in the dumper truck. That's interesting. A cylinder. No. A cuboid. That's what this block is called. We can use that. The star. That's no use. Another cuboid. Let's take it. The dumper truck is taking the building blocks to the shop. The excavator is preparing a space for the foundations. He's dug a hole in front of the shop window. The cement mixer is pouring concrete into the hole. The concrete has set. That means it's time to place the building blocks on top. The cuboids and the triangular prisms. They've made a ramp and the little cars can drive up to look inside the shop window. So many toys. Why don't you choose, little cars? A ball, a bulldozer, and a stacking game. Thank you, helper cars. The little cars are having fun playing with the ball. And the big cars can have a bit of a rest.
Helper cars.